Good morning, traders. Welcome to the latest episode of the Market Watch. Today we are going to talk about commodities, commodity currency pairs, and gold. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow this channel for more updates on the markets every day. Okay, gold prices sold off slightly in the previous session, but generally gold is in a major uptrend, and this is due to the fact that investors are anticipating the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates come September. The Federal Reserve meeting, we have our latest Federal Reserve meeting coming up tomorrow, but in tomorrow's meeting, investors are not expecting much from the Fed, but investors will be looking for more cues or more clues as to whether the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates come September. So at the moment, gold has found support at key technical levels, and given the upcoming Federal Reserve monetary policy announcements, traders will be looking to see whether gold will break down or break below the current levels of support, or if the Federal Reserve will sound a little bit dovish, we should expect gold to bounce off the current levels of support. Okay, the other currency that we're going to look at and focus on this week, guys, is the New Zealand dollar versus the United States dollar. The New Zealand dollar has so far lost 2%. When you look at the price chart, you'll see a major sell-off. And the reason for this is because of unwinding carry trades against the Japanese yen, as well as a poor economic reports, economic data coming out of China. You know, China is the top trading partner of New Zealand. Of late, GDP numbers coming out of China have been disappointing. And last week, the People's Bank of China unexpectedly cut interest rates. And simply the reason for that is to stimulate economic growth. So we'll be watching to see whether New Zealand dollar will bounce off the current levels of support where it is at right now, or whether it will continue breaking lower below this level of current support. And finally, traders, the other focus is on crude oil. Crude oil is an interesting commodity. As of late, crude oil prices have been declining. This is simply because the top global consumer of crude oil is China, and economic data coming out of China has been weak. And on top of that, China oil imports, crude oil imports have declined by 11% so far. This is due to slowing economic growth in that country. Traders, remember to watch these key technical levels on these assets that we have talked about. And if you want to trade these assets, please click on the link on the description. And let's make a point of meeting up. We're having an event, the non-farm payrolls, which will be on Friday. Stay on the lookout for that event. Looking forward to meeting you guys.